Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 6 Body Movement. Video Part 1, Question number 1. Which of the following organ system helps in protecting internal organs and gives support to the body? The protecting internal organs and support to the body, that is your skeletal system. It is in the option number B. Digestive system helps in the digestion of the food, means conversion of the food in the consumable form, which can be consumed by your body. Excretory system means removal of the waste product produced in your body. Nervous system means which just transfer all the messages throughout your body. Answer will be your skeletal system. So first answer is option D. Question number 2. Which one of the following terms is correct for skeletal system? Tissue, organ system, or all of the above? So all of the above will be the answer because all the terms are related to the skeletal system. The second answer is D. Question number 3. Ulna is a bone which is present in. So ulna is present in your hand, and the upper part of the bone, that is your ulna, and the lower part is the radius. So in the arm. Third answer will be option A. Question number 4. Spongy inside of bone, where red blood cells are made. So red blood cells are made in the bone marrow, and answer will be option C. The fourth answer is option C. Question number 5. Match the following. Collarbone. So collarbone is present in your pectoral girdle. So, and this is known as clavicle. So collarbone is your clavicle. Forearm bone. So forearm means your this bone. So there is your ulna. Thigh bone. So thigh bone, this bone, and this bone is known as your femur. So thigh bone will be your femur. Lower leg bone, the upper part, the thicker bone is known as fibula, and the thinner bone is known as, thicker part is the tibia and thinner is your fibula. So this is your tibia. Okay. So fifth answer will be your option B. Fifth is option B. Question number 6. Which organ system consists of mainly brain and spinal cord? Actually, all the organ systems I have listed here. Muscular system, this one, which possesses the muscles of your body. Digestive system means which digests the food inside your body. Nervous system, which possesses the brain and all the nerves inside your body, which transmits your messages. The sixth answer will be option C. And the skeletal system is this one. The sixth answer is option C. Question number 7. A group of cells that performs a special work together, that is known as tissue. Group of cell for special purpose, this is your tissue. The seventh answer is option C. And when tissues combine, it forms an organ. Question number 8. Out of 12 pairs of ribs, dash pairs of ribs are not joined to the breastbone. This is your breastbone, which is known as your sternum. Okay, and the on the collar or on the pectoral girdle, this is your clavicle, and in the back side, that is your scapula, the blade it is, and the ribs. There are 12 ribs, and 11 of them are attached directly or indirectly to the sternum. Only two pairs are the, you can see, two pairs are the floating ribs. Okay, so answer will be A. Eighth answer is option A. Number 9. Which one of the following statement is correct for the human skull? Skull is soft structure surrounds the spinal cord. No, it surrounds the brain. Okay. The upper part of the skull is made up of 10 bones joined together. No, 14 bones. The face and jaw contains 14 bones. Yes. The lower jawbone is immovable. No, it is movable. So ninth answer will be C. Question number 10. Human vertebral column is divided how many segments? The vertebral is divided into cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacrum, and then coccyx. So 5 parts. So 10th answer will be your B. Question number 11. Breastbone is also known as, this is your breastbone present in your rib cage, and it is known as sternum. 11th answer is option B. Question number 12. Which type of joint is there between upper arm bone and lower arm bone? Question number 12. Which type of joint is there between upper arm bone and the lower arm bone? So, upper arm bone, this one, and lower arm bone, upper arm bone and lower arm bone. So, the joint between these is the hinge joint. Hinge joint. This one, this part of joint. This is your hinge joint. So, 12th answer will be your option A. Question number 13. Which among the following helps the vertebrae to move slightly and enable the backbone to bend forward and backward? So, which type of zone is mainly present in the backbone? The question is asking which type of zone. So, actually, there is the rings in the vertebrae which are joined with the cartilage, and cartilage is the soft bone which permits the backbone to move slightly forward and slightly backward. So it is your B, option B. 13th answer is the option B. Question number 14. Which among the following is not a hip bone? Ilium is the hip bone. You can see here, I have posted here the picture of the hip bone. Ischium, it is also the hip bone. You can see here. Pubis, it is also the hip bone. You can just see here. Incus is present in your ear. Okay, so this is not a hip bone. So 14th answer will be your option C. Question number 15. Name the type of joint present between the thigh bone and the hip bone. So in the thigh bone, this is your femur and this is your hip bone. And joint between them is your ball and socket joint. This is your option C. 15th answer is the option C. Question number 16. Gliding joint allows which type of movement? So only backward and forward movement? No, this is the hinge joint. Movement in all direction? This is your ball and socket joint. Side to side as well as backward and forward, like your wrist. This one and in this side. So this is your gliding joint. Option C. 16th answer is option C. Question number 17. Which of the following animals move by lengthening and shortening of its body? Lengthening means they just become longer and shortening means they become shorter. So By lengthening and shortening, you can see it is the earth ball. So 17 answer will be here D. Question number 18. In which of the following animals exoskeleton is found? Exoskeleton means a hard layer of the covering outside it. So cockroach have the hard layer of covering made up with the chitin. 18th answer will be your option B. Question number 19. Dash is also known as tailbone. So this coccyx is also known as your tailbone. The 19th answer will be option B. Question number 20. The joint used in nodding of the head. Nodding of the head means like this. And at the head, the joint present is your pivot joint. The option C will be the correct answer. 20 answer is option C. Okay.
Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.